understanding stock trends, how to read market sentiments. Ever looked at market and wondered, why is everyone buying that stock which is already overpriced? Why does it feel like the entire market is against you? When you sell, it goes up. The truth, understanding the stock trend isn't about predicting the future. It's about reading what's happening right now. And that's, my dear friend, is the key to riding good stock for longer duration and exit a stock which is not good at a minimum time. One time came when I was also very frustrated. I thought, whichever stock I am buying and it falls very badly, is market against me? Have I done something wrong? Do I deserve this thing? I was like, what's happening over here? So whichever stock I bought, it came down. And I was like that I am someone who has done some sin and I can't get out of it. I can't make money. And I was very frustrated at that time. Then I realized that this is not about me. This is not about all traders. It is about market sentiments. That means that if market sentiment is not good, no stock will perform. Then I got to know about market sentiment. What was market sentiment? Market sentiment is just collective emotion of all the traders who are trading in the market right now. What they're thinking, what is happening in the market. Till last month, market sentiments were very negative because FIIs were continuously selling. They sold more than 1 lakh crore stocks in the market and sentiments were like nothing, all negative. And then all of a sudden, market sentiment changed. Now it is becoming positive and the FIIs are now buying. They became buyer. So when you understand the sentiment of market, and that depends on macro, that depends on so many things, not one thing. But when you start understanding this thing, that's where you understand the collective emotion of traders. And then only one simple thing would be for you, that is riding the market trend. If market is positive, go with the flow. If market is negative, go with the flow. Don't do anything. So the psychology of market is market trend. If you understand that thing, you can make big in the stock market. Now, when you know about market sentiment, there has to be something which is predefined to identify this market sentiment. Yes, there are a few things. What you need to understand. First thing, volume trend. Is the volume in any buying going up, or it is just constant, or it is coming down? You can see these data on any portals like investing.com, TradingView, charting. Volume is seen. You can also see this thing in Stockage. After volume trend, what you need to do? News sentiments. How news is coming out. Till last month, all news were negative. FIIs are selling. Trump is coming back, which is not good for India. China has given a fiscal stimulus. So all these things combiningly were giving negative sentiment. But now it's not like that. It has changed again. After this, there is a fear and greed index. That fear, whenever it is the highest, market sentiment is negative. And when it starts moving up, that is the right time to invest. When this fear index starts going down, means your trend, if it is a fear and greed index, and this is fear, this is greed, if it starts going towards greed, that is the point that you need to make investment. And when it starts coming towards the greed, that is the time you need to make exit from your portfolio if you are a mid-term trader. So that's what you need to follow. These combiningly give you market sentiment. Do you know in 2020, when there was a pandemic of COVID, at that time, these market sentiments were very negative. Fear index was at the highest point. All were just selling, buying volumes were negative. So that was the time when you understood that market sentiment is going down, down, down. You should exit your portfolio if you're a mid-term trader. If you're a long-term trader, nothing to worry because चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, मार्केट को जाना तो ऊपर ही है. 1 साल लगेगा, 2 साल लगेगा, 5 साल लगेगा, पर मार्केट ऊपर ही जाएगा. पर मिड टर्म ट्रेडर के लिए घबराने की बात है कि उन्होंने तो सारा पैसा लगा दिया और पैसा फंस गया है. उनके पास कोई कैपिटल नहीं बची हुई है, उन्होंने प्रॉपर्ली डाइवर्सिफाई नहीं किया है, उन्होंने प्रॉपर्ली रिस्क प्लानिंग नहीं की है, तो उनके पास कैपिटल ही नहीं है जो वो अभी इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं या फिर उन्हें घर के खर्चे के लिए चाहिए, वो नहीं है. तो उनके लिए प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. तो अगर ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं चाहिए तो प्रॉपरली सेंटिमेंट समझिए. कब मार्केट नेगेटिव सेंटिमेंट में, कब मार्केट पॉजिटिव सेंटिमेंट में है. आप अगर सेंटिमेंट समझते हैं तो आपका सिर्फ एक ही काम रह जाएगा, दैट इज गो विद द फ्लो. ये कहाँ से समझेंगे? ये जो पॉइंट्स मैंने आपको बताए. और अगर आप ये पॉइंट समझ जाते हो तो यू आर गोइंग टू मेक बिग इन स्टॉक मार्केट. मैं आपको कुछ टेक्निकल्स बताती हूँ जो आपको मार्केट सेंटिमेंट समझने में हेल्प करेगा. टिल नाउ आई हैव गिवन यू सम साइकोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट्स. कैसे आप मार्केट ट्रेंड को समझ सकते हो? Suppose a stock which is going high, high, high. According to Dow's theory, a stock which is going high tends to go high and make new highs. मतलब वो सिर्फ ऊपर ही जाएगा, पर ऊपर जाने के टाइम में वो ऐसा ऊपर नहीं जा सकता. It will go up, come down, go up, come down. But when there is a sign of coming down, going little bit up, coming down, going little bit up, that means that is lower low. हायर हाई और लोअर लो. तो जब भी मार्केट में हायर हाई बन रहा है, दैट मीन्स दैट स्टॉक and market are having positive sentiment. But अगर आप किसी स्टॉक के चार्ट को देखते हो और उसमें आपको चार्ट नीचे थोड़ा सा ऊपर फिर नीचे ऐसा बनता हुआ दिखता है, that means कि market is going down. That's what happened in 2020. So if you understand this thing, you can make your exit very fast. Execution will be the key over there to protect you from all these losses. Understand these sentiments and trade accordingly. Now there are two sentiment traps. You have to avoid these things. What are these sentiment traps? First is FOMO. FOMO is fear of missing out. What does this indicate? Suppose आपको एक स्टॉक बाय करना था, जब fear index ज़्यादा था तो वो स्टॉक नीचे था, but you couldn't enter because you were fearful. वो स्टॉक वहाँ से 20-25% ऊपर आ जाता है, तब आपको लगता है कि एंटर करना था, किया नहीं, क्या करूँ, और फिर आपको लगता है कि अरे ये तो भाग जाएगा और मेरी एंट्री नहीं होगी, तो आप क्या करोगे? आपको ये डर जो है वो आपको खींच लाएगा स्टॉक की तरफ, और नहीं चाहते हुए भी एक स्टॉक जो ऑलरेडी 25-30% ऊपर जा चुका है आप उसे एंटर करोगे, बिकॉज यू आर fearful that you will miss out on this stock. But why don't you think that there are other stocks too in the stock market? Don't think of one stock. Think there are 5,000 stocks. उसमें से मुझे एक स्टॉक अगर मिस हो गया तो 4999 stocks है मेरे पास में. I'll find from there. So FOMO is a very big wealth destroyer. Stay away from this. Second one, panic selling. When you are selling your stock at rock bottom price because of fear. Again, the fear comes into picture. That is what panic selling actually happens with you. आप घबराहट के मारे बेच देते हो अपने स्टॉक को. कोविड में यही हुआ था, स्टॉक नीचे आ रहा है, निफ्टी नीचे आई, इतने नीचे आ गई कि आप लोगों को लगा कि अब तो निफ्टी खत्म, स्टॉक मार्केट खत्म. सब ने अपना पोर्टफोलियो बेच दिया 2020 में. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? वापस रिकवरी हुई, और रिकवरी वाज लाइक ट्रेमेंडस रिकवरी. 5 गुना स्टॉक हो गए उसके बाद, एंड पीपल जस्ट थॉट कि हमने एंटर क्यों नहीं किया. 10 गुना स्टॉक हो गए, पर लोग नहीं एंटर कर पाए, ओनली बिकॉज कि उन लोगों ने पैनिक सेलिंग कर दी थी. वो पहले ही घबरा चुके थे, डर गए थे, और उन्होंने सेलिंग कहाँ की? मान लो 100 रुपए का स्टॉक था, जब वो 20 रुपए पे आया तो उन्होंने बेचा, और उसके बाद वो स्टॉक वापस 150 पे चला गया, एंड दे मिस्ड इट. So these two are actually traps. So stay away from these traps. If you like this content, do like and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends and write in comment whatever was your experience. Over here you can share it because you have many fellow people who are going through this kind of situation and motivate me to make more such videos. Thank you.